Hi, my name's Jack.Weir. I'm with Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon, home of all the fun things that you can ever want to do. Anyway, today is 2018 Jayco Alante 31R. This is a 34-foot bunk bed style coach. It does have the Triton V10, 362 horsepower, proven chassis, really nice white with beautiful graphics on it. Have the outside entertainment system, a 4 kilowatt Onan generator. This will get you out and away and have a great time. So any of the tank capacities, just look on our website. It's going to be right there for you. So we're going to get right to the best things about it, and that's the floor plan. So if you follow me on in. So right here in the cockpit, you got a great information center, easy, comfortable cockpit. You've got your levelers are up here, automatic levelers. And then backing up just a little bit, we've got the overhead bunk. This is an electric, and it's got the safety on-off switch. We do have the televator where your TV is hidden. Really easy to deploy and not deploy. You just push up on the button, TV pops up. And when you want it down, you push the down button and you got full view of your windows out there. You have a nice dinette that does convert to a bed and a sofa that converts to a bed. Great overhead storage and overhead storage over there. In the galley, you've got the extendable countertop, which gives you a nice workstation here. Nice microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop, and a gas oven. 2 sinks, stainless steel with overhead storage and below storage. Moving on back, this is a 10 cubic foot refrigerator, and then you have your bunks. Now that's really neat about this for the kids. Each of these bunk stations has a TV in it. Nobody's going to be fighting over the TV or the gaming. These will flip up, so you've got additional storage if you wish. Nice, roomy bathroom and shower. Plenty of storage in here also. Over here, got more storage, pantry for the kitchen. More storage, pantry for the kitchen. Then moving back into the bedroom. Do have a full walk-around queen bed, easy to make it up. Full overhead storage, pocket doors to give you your privacy. You have a wardrobe on each side of the bed. Gives you plenty of clothes hanging ability. 4 medium-sized drawers here. 3 very large full capacity drawers down there, and a television. This does have 2 air conditioners, so you do have your bedroom air conditioned and your living space air conditioned. Any further information you'd like to have about this, please give me a call. My name is Jack.Weir, Guaranty RV, 541-654-1820. That's my direct line. Or you can contact me at jack.weir@guaranty.com. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed it.